Hi friends, welcome to Code Tech Gyan. Today we will discuss about a problem statement given by HackerRank.com. HackerRank is a very efficient website where you can see several languages and several questions, and these questions are very important and crucial for your job interviews. If you solve HackerRank problems, it will really benefit you. So today let's see one simple statement. The difficulty level of this problem statement is the easy one, and let's see what is the problem statement. So for a given string, you have to match that string on the basis of a regular expression. This is the regular expression that you need to use, and then you have to split it according to the tokens. So guys, what is token? Something which is consisting of alphabetic letters is called as token. So if you have a string here, he's a very good boy, comma, isn't he? Here comma and single apostrophe cannot be considered in a token. So you have to split the comma and you have to split apostrophe also. Here is the problem input and here is the output. You can see after boy comma is removed, and after ISN the apostrophe is removed and the word is split on basis of that. So first what we have to do, we have to split this complete string on the basis of white spaces in between. So in that way we will get every word, and then in that every word we need to check if there exists a regular expression keyword, and if we have a regular expression keyword we need to remove that as well. So guys, this is the problem statement from HackerRank. So watch this video till complete end, because I am going to provide a solution which you will never have seen before, and I bet you this is the best optimized solution you can ever see. So guys, we need at least Java 8 to solve this problem statement. If you are using Java 7 or below, then this statement will not work, but I think since we already have Java 13, so you must be working on Java 8 at least. So guys, watch this video till the end and you will get the best solution ever. So guys, HackerRank has provided here the space where you can code, but to make it easier I will code this problem on my Eclipse. Okay, so I will start now. Write your code here. So I have to do few things here. First, take string. Second, split on the basis of space. Third, check regular expressions. So guys, this is the thing that we have to do. Once you find the regular expressions and once you have taken all the tokens, then you just need to count and print the tokens. So let's start now. First I will split the string st on the basis of white spaces. Space, line end. So the result of splitting of the string goes into a array of string. So this is why I have taken a new array here with the data type of string. So let's print this part and let's see what output do we get here. So guys, here I will need to take one string. Enter. So this is splitting my string on the basis of white spaces and it's printing the tokens here. Okay, so till here it looks okay. Now since I have got my strings, so let me see what happens if I put a semicolon or colon or something like that. Hello, question mark, world. So here you can see hello is printed with question mark also, because it's only checking for white spaces. So whatever value you have along with the word, it's splitting on the basis of that. But we don't want this, we want to remove this question mark also. So now second part comes up. Here I will have to split my string that I've got in the array on the basis of regular expressions as well. So let me use this same kind of trick here and split it on the basis of regular expressions now. S dot split, and this time it's going to be a regular expression, comma, apostrophe, question mark, at the rate, end of regular expression, end of line. Let me see what are regular expressions HackerRank has asked us. So it's asking for all these regular expressions. So now it's okay. On the basis of regular expression, we will print and see how it prints now. Let me put st here. Okay, st I have already used, so let me use so guys, you can see the question mark has been removed this time and only the words are being printed. So now since this part is being done, I need to first count it. So counting I can do inside this for loop. So now every time this loop runs, the count will grow. But guys, I have to print count first according to the HackerRank code problem statement. They have asked to print the count first and then the tokens. So what I have to do in this case, if I print count here, I will have to print it outside the for loop. I cannot print the count inside, otherwise it will not give me the right count. Once the complete counting is done, then only the count value I can print. So this will not work according to the HackerRank problem statement. So for this I will do one trick and I will take a list here. And now instead of printing here the final string, we will take it outside of this for loop. Before this we will print the count also, and now here inside this I will take my list and add every string here like this. Now I have the final count here and I have all my splitted strings added into my list. Now I only have to do two work. First thing, printing the count, and second thing, print this list. So let's see how it happens. Save it. Guys, now take a note that I am printing the list. So it will print the way list is supposed to be printed in Java. So list will be printed like this in the square brackets along with comma, because this is how lists are supposed to be printed in Java, whereas the number 2 is the right thing to be printed. So we will have to do some changes over here, because this is now not how we want the result to be printed. For this, Java 8 part comes into picture. In Java 8, Java has introduced an inbuilt for each method for list, where you can use that for each method and print the content of list without comma and without square brackets. So let's see how we can do that. Copy, remove this. Let's see what method we have. We have a for each method for the list. For each system.out println. Now this will print all the content of my list. Before running this code, let me enter statement here. Okay, enter string and you can enter the string. Hello, question mark, word, exclamation. So the number of tokens are 2, hello and world, and it has removed all the extra symbols that I have entered in the code. And it's taking a note of my string for each method, and it's printing all the content of the list as we expected. Now let me copy this complete code and paste it in my HackerRank and see if it passes the sample codes here. I will put my code here, run code. Okay, so sample test 1 is as expected, it passes it. Sample test 2 also is in green and it passes the same. So it's removing the exclamation marks here, comma, and in this case it's removing the apostrophe, question mark and comma as well. So guys, this is how you solve this problem, and this is the best optimized solution that you can get. In mere 30 lines of code you can solve this important question on Java string tokens. So guys, like and subscribe this channel so that you can come across these kind of tricky questions and you can get the best optimized solution for these kind of questions with the complete explanation. Comment below if you want any other such kind of questions for me to solve, and also let me know if it's helped you in understanding the code problem. Thank you. Have a good